Submitting an application for an IPO online in Jamaica is quick and easy using JMMB Moneyline. From your browser, go to the JMMB Group website and select your respective country. On the country's homepage, select the Moneyline Sign-In tab at the top of the page. After selecting your JMMB subsidiary or affiliate, you will be directed to the Moneyline login portal. Log into Moneyline. Click Enter to log in to your personal Moneyline. Please enter your username and password, then select Login. Answer your security question, then press Continue to begin your Moneyline session. From the main menu, select Transactions, then select New Transaction from the drop-down menu. Select Buy Stocks for the transaction type. You will have the option to choose which stock exchange market from which you would like to make your purchase. Please select your equity money market fund account. Select IPO and all available IPOs will be displayed. Choose the IPO you would like to purchase, then press Continue. You will be navigated to the Order Details page where you will be able to enter the quantity of shares you would like to purchase. The order type automatically defaults to the market price. You can also save a note to yourself about your transaction using the Personal Notes section. Please confirm your agreement with the terms and conditions in the IPO's prospectus by pressing Continue. A pop-up will appear to inform you that joint holders over the age of 18 years must indicate approval of this transaction to complete processing, and that instruction will be sent to joint account holders by email. You will be sent to the order summary page for review. You may then press the back button to revise the transaction, continue to approve the transaction, or save and add another if you would like to include additional stock purchases. Once you have selected Continue, enter your PIN, then select Process All Transactions. The status column for the transaction results will indicate that the transaction has been submitted. As a joint account holder, you do not need Moneyline access to be able to approve the IPO transaction. Joint account holders will receive an email with the link to approve the stock order and an access code. Simply enter your TRN and the access code in the form provided and click Submit. Please review the stock order and confirm your agreement to the terms and conditions in the prospectus by clicking the Approve Purchase button. You will be navigated to the confirmation page stating that your transaction is approved. Congratulations! You have just submitted your IPO transaction using JMMB Moneyline. Thank you for making it JMMB.